Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Mortal Shell 2 and your game keeps crashing on Steam, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Mortal Shell 2 crashing on Steam easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to right click graphics, and then you're going to click on add desktop app here and then go into your Mortal Shell 2's games folder. It should be in your Steam's directory, Steam library, Steam apps, common, Sparta, Mortal Shell 2, binaries, Win64. Here it is. Add the exe file into this list and then find it here. Here it is. Click onto GPU preference, set it to high performance then. After that, close this up. Now you're going to open up Steam and then you're going to right click on Mortal Shell 2, click properties, install files, click verify and tag it to your game files here. After you do that, you're going to close this up. You're going to open up your start menu again. You're going to write here run and then you're going to write here app data. Go into local, go into Mortal Shell 2 here, saved, save games, delete both of these files from here. Both of these files store your game settings like graphics settings and all that. So just delete both of these files here. After that, close this up. Now you're going to go ahead and try to play the game and you'll see that your game will now work. It will not crash anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel and I will see you in my next video. Peace.